Happy birthday, Gabby! Sana mas maging masaya at mas memorable ang birthday mo this year. Always stay healthy, kind, and syempre always stay pretty. Naway gabayan ka palagi ni Lord and sana matupad ang mga pangarap and goals mo sa buhay. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday ulit, Gabby! We love you and we miss you. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo soon.
Hi Gabby! Happy 18th birthday! Wishing you all the best and, of course, a good health. Stay pretty, humble, and kind. And I'm hoping na matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Ingat kayo dyan always. Miss you all so much. At uwi na ulit kayo dito. Miss na namin kayo.
Hi Ate Gabby, happy 18th birthday, miss you.
Birthday Gabby, legal age ka na. Parang dati lang naglalaro lang tayo ng mga Barbie dolls. May all your dreams come true and always stay kind, strong, and true to yourself. And remember that we're always cheering for you from afar. And nandito lang kami ng mga pinsan mo palagi para sa'yo. Chat ka lang and I love you and I miss you so much, Gabby. Uwi ka na ulit dito sa Pinas. Bye-bye! Happy birthday ulit!
Happy 18th birthday, Mary Gabriel. Mary Gabriel ang putik. Happy 18th birthday, Gabi Tot. Dalaga na tayo, Nay. Huwag mo na mag-aasawa. And wish ko lang sa'yo na sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, pati na din sa mga magulang mo. Sana matupad mo. And huwag laging pababayaan ng pag-aaral at ang sarili. Ano pa? Miss ka na namin. Sana makauwi ka na ulit dito sa Pilipinas. And kung ayaw mo naman best umuwi, kami na lang ang bilhan mo ng ticket para naman mas masaya ang buhay, no? Last hassle na sa'yo. Parang mas mapapagastos pala. Hindi. Pero last hassle sa'yo. At least kami naman ang pupunta sa'yo. And ano pa? Lagi ka lang mag-ingat and stay humble, kind, and also slay. Slay every day. Para lagi ng yun lang. And happy 18th birthday ulit, Gabby Tot. We miss you and I love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Gabby. I wish you a happy life and more blessings, and I wish your dreams came true. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Gabby! Happy 18th birthday! Oh my gosh, you are 18 years old. Welcome to adulthood! I'm just gonna give you some best wishes from your Ate Chloe from the Philippines. So my wishes are have you good health, be kind to another from your friends and also your family, and maybe a boyfriend. I'm just kidding, I'm kidding. But if ever, you have to find the right person so he can be with you, okay? Just find the right one. But not too early, just like, I'm just letting you know. Oh my gosh, I miss you so much. And hopefully if you come here in the Philippines, maybe we can have a chat and stuff. That would be great. And yeah, I hope to see you, Gabby. Bye!
Yo! Happy birthday, Gabby. My name is Kuya Miles from the Philippines, and I just want to wish you some happy birthday wishes. I wish you for more good health. I wish you to be a kinder person, and most importantly, the most important thing, I wish you to love yourself more, because I think that is the ultimate goal of us being a better person. Me and my family adore you a lot. We appreciate for what you do. We're excited to see what you're going to do in the future, and whatever you have accomplished so far in your life, we will always appreciate it because we know that we love you so much. So once again, Gabby, happy 18th birthday. I know your family loves you. I know my family loves you, and I hope me and my sister get to see you finally. So yeah, that's about it. Happy birthday again.